Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to set up passcode to lock chat in WhatsApp. Firstly, open the WhatsApp application on your device, then select the chat you want to lock. Tap the chat's profile picture or name, then tap the eye icon to open the chat settings. Now, scroll down and tap Chat Lock. Turn on Lock this chat with fingerprint or set up a passcode Face ID on iPhones. The locked chat will move to the locked chats folder. To view it, you need to go to the main chat list and select Locked Chats. Just note that if you haven't set up device authentication, follow the prompts to enable biometrics or passcodes in your device settings. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.